What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we talk about perfumes and colognes and fragrances. Today's video is going to be about 15 rare, vintage, or hard to find women's fragrances. So let's jump right in and follow me. Number one is Gucci Pink 2. First they came out with the Gucci Eau de Parfum, that brown one, and this one is called Eau de Parfum II. Huge success, both of them. It came out in 2004, created by a Frenchman named Antoine Maisondieu. The top notes are an elegant combination of orange, black currant, Mandarin. It has a new trendy heart, combines jasmine with violet and blackberry. The base is a musk, cedar, Heliotrope, which is the pink or blue plants cultivated specifically for this fragrance. It's an intoxicating scent with its fruity floral violet blackberry vibe. It's extremely well blended and gives you confidence and energy while wearing it. By Diane Von Furstenburg, released in 1975. Diane outdid herself back then. Huge, successful, the wrap dress designer. Remember those dresses that just wrap around you? That's how she started out and made her name. It reminds me of the 80s, this fragrance, like Hot Summer Nights, Won't You Take Me To, Funky Town, Michael Jackson, Off the Wall album. Anyway, these are the memories that pop up right when you spray this vintage diamond. It's a light floral tuberose honeysuckle scent. It's, this is the kind of fragrance that was out there in the 70s. Everything was relaxed. There was no smartphones, no emails, no YouTube, no internet. And this is one of those fragrances that truly captures the era and the scent. You can find these on eBay, but hey, about 70 bucks. The next one is a kind of hard to find, but you can find it. It's called Nicki Minaj Majesty. Red berries, lemon, peach, tonka beans, orchids, musks. It's a true compliment getter. A cool bottle with her red brassiere and bosom line showing. You can find it, but it's just getting harder to find. The next one, number 4, is Sun, Moon, Stars by Lagerfeld. It's a gem, very hard to find, a true gem for collectors, discontinued, rare, released way back in the mid 1990s. I love the opening of this scent. My sister used to wear this fragrance and nothing else until it became hard to find. I used to buy it for her, my sister-in-law, for about, I don't know, anywhere from 30 bucks to 40 bucks the most. And I remember they were at Marshall's sometimes, real cheap, dented boxes, 15, 20 bucks. Now you're talking about $300. It's so hard to find. The opening is a fruity freesia, pineapple, bergamot, and juicy peach. You can get intense jasmine, iris, and florals, and lily of the valley. It dries down to like a yummy cedar vanilla. The bottle is very distinct with its blue glass and sunburst logo. I don't have a picture of the bottle. Next, number 5, by Dolce Gabbana, the leopard brown panther print. All I could find was the lotion. I'm trying to find this. It's very hard to find, very expensive. I don't know, $400, $500, $600, $700 if you find this large size bottle on eBay. It's got Sicilian fruit, spice, very exotic, sexy, alluring. Nothing else on the market smells like it for women. By Dolce Gabbana. If you can find a small decant, I highly recommend it. The next one is Escada by Margarita Lay. Is just an honorable mention, but this one here is, I call it Escada Signature. It's called Escada by Escada. It came out in 2005. This next one is called Polo number 3 Yellow. This is first launched in 2012 for the sporty women, tennis players type sporty woman who values her independence, is what they say. It's a combination of decadence, mimosa, yummy pear. Wear it anytime. summer, winter, fall. It's a great all everyday fragrance, and you can find these still, kind of hard to find. Number 8, my favorite, one of my favorites from this list, True Religion Hippie Chick. This is a fun, flirty fragrance. Opens up with raspberry apple. It's just delicious, sexy, fun, flirty, like I said. Dries down to a light woody musk. This has got lilies, jasmine, hibiscus. To sum it up, it's a light floral which can last an easy 4 hours strong, then sits to your skin. 9, Curve Vintage Soul. Bergamot, cranberry apple, plums, jasmine, magnolia. It's a far different from the boring Curve Soul for women. This is vintage Curve Soul. It's a fruity patchouli plum scent you can find on eBay anywhere from $30 to $79. I've seen them. You get lucky, you get this big bottle. Number 10, Kors by Michael Kors. Interesting. This is kind of difficult and challenging to find on the internet. If you type in Kors by Michael Kors, you'll see what you get. But this is one. It's a tall, slender, round bottle. All I could find were these little samplers. It's discontinued. Search for it. You'll put up 25 different Michael Kors fragrances. It's just hard to find. It's layered with sensuous rose petals. It came out in the early 2000s. It's got a Sicilian bergamot, clementine, pomegranate, sheer cognac, so many different ingredients. I do highly perfume called Roger, Engale, bamboo, grapefruit, mandarin, orange, and bergamot are the top notes on this one. And could get away with it. The dry down is very nice, clean, fresh, and natural. It's very natural and organic and light, and I love it. Imagine you're in a forest where there's Asian accents and bamboo and waterfalls and things like that, and you're very relaxed but all alert at the same time. This is what it feels like, just earthy, organic type scent. You can find these on eBay still too. Not too much, $30, $40. Number 12, Este Lauder Pleasures Delight. Fruity floral gourmand fragrance for women. Released in 2007. Some of the notes include strawberry, pomegranate, freesia, green notes, and of course lily. There's marshmallow in it. Delicious vanilla, caramel, rose, sugar is in the base. 2 words for this: yummy and delicious. It's sweet, fun, girly, inviting fragrance, kind of like an angel with a touch of strawberries, and it's long lasting. Number 13, another one of my favorites, Ralph Cool. Bright colored, floral, fruity, awesome fragrance. Opens up with kiwi, frozen nectarines, watermelon, and cucumber. In the middle it has fresh fusion, honeysuckle, and lime. It's composed of a creamy musk and vetiver and expensive woods on the base end. It's got about 5 hours longevity. You can still find this on eBay. Price $60 to $80, medium-sized bottles. If you get lucky, you'll find a big bottle, $100. It's very fun, very easy to wear. There used to be Ralph Lauren Wild, Ralph Lauren Rocks. This one's called Ralph Cool. Do you remember the orange bottle and the red bottle by Ralph? Well, this one's called Ralph Cool. If you were in high school when this came out, you'll for sure 100% jog your memory once you spray it. The magic of a scent like this takes you away right to that moment when you were in your car listening to the music, whatever you were doing. Compliment level on this, 10. I highly recommend Ralph Cool if you can find it. Number 14 came out in 1996. It's called Piatti Labelle. It is very hard to find. It is kind of got a plum coconut smell. Lots of fragrances had coconut back then. You got Casablanca lily, white flowers, gardenia, musk, vanilla. It's extremely long lasting fragrance. It's kind of strong. You might call it your grandmother's scent. But it's kind of like Chloe Narcisse people who like these type of scents, Chloe Narcisse, Paul Sebastian design for women, Bob Mackie for women. This is the category it's in. Still hard to find. Number 15, another one of my favorites. This is awesome. It's called Diesel LoverDose. It's the Eau de Parfum. This one's kind of hard to find. The bottle, oh my god, look at this bottle. It's incredible. Stunning bottle design. It had to be done. It resembles a heart-shaped diamond pierced by an arrow, colored into intense purple. It's very lustful. It lasts a long time. It's a top 10 compliment, long-lasting fragrance for women. It's romantic, sexy, and flirty all at once. Its projection is out of this world. It's super strong, sweet, but not too sweet, just right. When they do make an eau de toilette. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching this rare, discontinued, hard to find women's fragrances. I have many different lists and a part 2 of this coming out soon too. Thank you to all my subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. Watch for new videos. My name is Chris Onani and I'll see you later.